Mount Etna, towering majestically on the Italian island of Sicily, has once again captured the world's attention after a spectacular eruption that began on February 11th. As one of the world's most active volcanoes, Etna has long been known for its intense and unpredictable volcanic activity. However, this eruption presented a remarkable spectacle that attracted not only scientists, but also thousands of tourists who came from around the world to witness this powerful force of nature firsthand. The eruption was more than just a plume of smoke or the roar of an ordinary active volcano. Etna unleashed a massive lava flow, creating a river of fire that rushed down the mountainside and bathed the night sky in a fiery red glow. This spectacle offered a combination of beauty and menace rarely found anywhere else. For many, this phenomenon represented a rare opportunity to witness one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth firsthand. Etna's volcanic activity has actually been ongoing for thousands of years. The volcano, which rises more than 3,300 meters, has experienced hundreds of recorded eruptions throughout history. Because of its high level of activity, geologists continue to discuss any changes occurring in the region. Various modern instruments have been installed to detect magma movement, volcanic earthquakes, and changes in the volcano's surface, which can indicate increased eruptive activity. In this latest eruption, the volume of lava ejected was reportedly much greater than in previous eruptions. Lava flows were seen flowing from the main crater, and several eruption fissures formed on the mountain slopes. In some locations, jets of incandescent material could even be seen from tens of kilometers away. Photos and videos circulating on social media quickly went viral, showcasing dramatic and awe-inspiring scenes and reminding us of the immense power hidden beneath the Earth's surface. This phenomenon immediately attracted tourists. Thousands of people flocked to the area around Etna to witness the eruption firsthand. Many were willing to travel long distances to get the best vantage point, to observe the lava flows ripping through the mountainous landscape. Photographers, content creators, and nature lovers took advantage of the moment to capture one of Europe's most spectacular natural sights. However, the increased number of visitors also presented problems. Roads leading to observation points were clogged with vehicles, causing long traffic jams. Some reports showed queues of vehicles stretching for kilometers, slowing down the movement of local residents and emergency services. This situation presents unique challenges for local governments, which must ensure tourist safety while maintaining smooth access to critical areas. In addition to traffic congestion, many tourists risk approaching inherently dangerous areas. Although lava flows often move slowly, terrain conditions around volcanoes can change suddenly. Hot rocks, toxic gases, and the possibility of new eruptions pose real threats that should not be ignored. Security officials and rescue teams repeatedly remind visitors to adhere to established safety limits. Scientists also emphasize that volcanic eruptions are highly dynamic natural phenomena. What seems safe 1 hour can become dangerous in a short time. Therefore, direct observations should be conducted under the guidance of experienced guides and in accordance with local government directives. Awareness of the risks is crucial for safe and responsible volcano tourism. Furthermore, Etna's eruptions also provide significant scientific benefits. Each eruption provides a valuable opportunity for researchers to study the geological processes occurring within the Earth. Data collected during eruptions can help improve understanding of volcanic behavior and enhance early warning systems for communities living in disaster-prone areas. Interestingly, although Etna is known as an active volcano, the surrounding communities have lived alongside volcanic activity for centuries. The fertile volcanic soil makes this region one of Italy's most important agricultural regions. Vineyards, citrus orchards, and various other agricultural commodities thrive thanks to the minerals produced by volcanic activity.